how to use Do Not Disturb in Control Center on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're looking to enhance your iPhone experience, you're in the right place. So, uh, in today's video titled How to Use Do Not Disturb in Control Center, I'll teach you through these simple steps to activate this handy feature. So let's dive right in. Just swipe from the top right, and then here you'll find the focus option. Tap on it and just tap on Do Not Disturb. So this will toggle it on. So you can silence notifications and enjoy uninterrupted time, and you can just enjoy your time by toggling on the Do Not Disturb mode. Now if you want to turn it off, you can just swipe from top right and then go to Do Not Disturb and then tap on it and turn it off. So it's as simple as that to use the Do Not Disturb in your control center. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.